Your brain has a sleep switch. Learning how to more effectively turn it on will transform your life. Meet Chili, temperature technology for restorative, deep sleep. Scientists have long known that cold triggers sleep. As your body core temperature drops, you achieve balance with your circadian rhythm, falling asleep 98% faster and staying in the deep sleep zone up to 2 times longer. Sleeping well is well-being. Sleeping cool, enabled by Chili, improves muscle recovery by as much as 30% and increases metabolism by 10%. You'll be amazed at the transformation Chili creates. Choose the Chili Pad or Ooler with app-based scheduling. A series of microtubes circulate temperature-controlled water that will trigger and keep you in deep sleep. Weight control, stress reduction, peace and harmony. Chili unleashes the advanced technology of the human body, and it works on any bed. And since every body is different, a personalized bedtime climate means you and your partner can sleep happily ever after, together. We spend 1/3 of our lives asleep. Chili enables you to maximize that time and transform your life. Let's all be morning people again. Chili.
Sleep like a champion, and you'll take the gold.
Somnify is a sleep assistant that enables you to find your best sleep.
Somnify is a contactless device that sits on your night table that is actually a collection of 10 different sensors. It measures movements on your body completely contactless. It can also measure a lot of things around you like temperature, air pressure, light, and so on. And it will collect all that data and it will start to analyze actually your sleep pattern.
With Somnify, every day I know more about how my body works and what makes it perform.
Somnify does also have quite cool features built in. For example, the smart alarm that helps you wake up in the morning when you are not really in deep sleep, so you feel really fresh when you wake up. Somnify does also have a function called guided breathing, which is a breathing exercise that it will guide you through in the night to actually help you fall asleep.
We've been working with professional athletes, but always with the intention that knowledge from that work should be distributed to every other user.
Sleep for me is the key to give 100%. I use the Somnify every day.
I think my favorite part of Somnify is that it lets you be like a mini scientist of your own sleep and makes it easy to track your sleep and to get good feedback on the small things and adjustments you do.
You can focus on yourself and your body, and not on technology.
If you believe that sleep affects your life, your health, or your performance, and you are interested in knowing about your sleep, then you should get a Somnify.
Introducing Aromeo Sense, a smart multisensory device that creates an ideal environment for sleep and relaxation. It's using a synergy of aroma, light, and sound therapy to get rid of stress. It's really easy to get started. All you have to do is push the button and enjoy the experience. Choose from Sleep, Relax, or Focus module. Sleep module helps you to fall asleep naturally and wake up without nasty alarm sounds. Fall asleep easily with dimming sunset light, dreamy aroma, and calming serenades. Wake up shock-free without an alarm clock using glowing sunrise light, uplifting aromas, and the sound of birds. Relax module helps you to easily de-stress and recharge. It guides your inhale and exhale with a breathing light ring, gentle aroma, and serene music. Focus module helps you to beat drowsiness and get into a great mood. Have a stress-free productivity with focus intensifying light, concentration boosting aroma, and sounds of nature. Aromeo Sense helps you to create the ideal environment for sleep and relaxation using aroma, light, and sound therapy. Ready to start your journey to a better lifestyle? Get Aromeo Sense today.
Tossers and turners, the partners of snorers, the midnight warriors, the alarm hurlers. We're for you. We're for everybody. Because we could all use better sleep. Meet the new Hatch Restore. Designed by sleep experts and personalized for you, Restore combines soothing sleep sounds, a soft bedside light, and a sunrise alarm clock so you can get your best sleep naturally. When you're ready for bed, start your personal sleep routine and wind down in the way that works for you. So you can fall asleep, stay asleep, and wake up feeling restored. Because better nights make for better days. And better sleep makes for a better you. Hatch Restore, because we could all use better sleep.